Hey there, Joel Simmons here on the Workday Rising floor, Senior Art Director here at Workday. And today we're going to talk about how to have a rock star LinkedIn profile to move your career forward. I'm joined here today with Rachel Meyer and Reagan Bacher at LinkedIn Marketing Solutions. Welcome.
Thanks for having us. Super excited to be here.
Yeah.
Thanks, Joel.
Yeah, they're going to give us the scoop on how we can all be rock stars in a very authentic way. So, can we talk about the mission of LinkedIn and the why we should care about taking our profiles to the next level?
Yeah, of course. So LinkedIn's vision is really to create economic opportunity for the global workforce, and our mission is to connect the world's professionals in order to be as productive and successful as possible. So with over 1 billion members worldwide, LinkedIn is the largest professional network, so it's super important to have your profile up to date with all the most relevant information so that we can connect you to those opportunities that matter most to you. Whether that's finding a new role, getting connected to a mentor or a mentee, getting a new speaking opportunity, attending an industry event, and so much more.
Okay, and can you tell me some easy ways viewers can expand their professional stature on LinkedIn?
Sure, I'll give you some tips on how to rock your profile.
Awesome.
I think the first thing is just making sure your photo is updated and that you're smiling and looking engaged. No blurry old photos from 10 plus years ago.
Okay.
Doesn't need to be a professional photo shoot. Most smartphones take pretty great photos these days. After that, I would make sure that your headline is updated with your current role and your company. Throw an emoji in there. This is their place to add a little bit of flair and add some personality into it. And then the About Me section is really your elevator pitch on who you are, what you want someone to see about you before they dive into your resume or your overall profile. And then lastly, LinkedIn is really focused on inclusion and making sure that your profile represents you as authentically as possible. So there's a few other new features that we've incorporated over the last few years. So the first being a name pronunciation, so you can actually record it right next to your profile photo. So anyone that wants to know how to say your name, you can do that, and you won't get that blundered by someone else.
Yeah.
And then you're able to add your pronouns as well, so you can live as authentically as you need to.
I love that. And you mentioned authenticity. I love that. Tell me more about that.
Yeah, being authentic on LinkedIn is really important. It's the way that you show your true self, the professional, workplace. It's the lens that people see you and understand your role at your company, in your career, and shows how you can be credible and shows how you share your expertise. And I think being authentic is really important, because if you're not, you actually might be attracting the wrong opportunities and the wrong things coming your way. So being yourself and being authentic is the best way to get what is supposed to come to you.
And then in terms of content and posting on the feed, we're actually seeing that people who are talking the most about things that motivate them, inspire them, and matter to them are seeing the highest engagement. So by really showing up and being your authentic self and really posting about things that inspire you, sharing your personal POV, and sharing about your expertise in a really relatable way is going to get you the most traction on the platform and really allow you to up-level your social presence overall.
Okay, well, you heard it here first. This has been great. Thank you so much, ladies. And I'm looking forward to seeing all your profiles out there rock after this. Back to the
Awesome.
studio.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Joel.
Thank you.